What's up, family? It's your girl, Miss T. Thanks for stopping by. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. So guys, it's been a long time since I've been able to add a new entry into my Mediterranean diet series. So no time like the present, right? So today I'm going to make a Mediterranean style baked potato. Really simple, really quick, really delicious. So guys, as always, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. For this recipe, I'm going to use 4 large russet potatoes. The first thing that we need to do is scrub these babies clean. I'm going to use a really small scrub brush just to make sure I'm removing all of that deep down ingrained dirt. For the next step, I'm going to rub olive oil all over these potatoes. If you don't have the olive oil, you can also use butter, and I actually like butter a little better. I'm going to sprinkle the potatoes with a little kosher salt, and then I'm going to use the tongue part of the fork and poke holes all over the potatoes so the steam can escape, and so they don't explode in your oven. Yeah, you want to avoid that. Now we can put the potatoes in the oven directly on the rack. I'm not going to wrap mine in foil because I want a really crispy skin. But if you don't like that, feel free to wrap your potato in aluminum foil before you put it in the oven. And then we'll bake these at 425 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. So while our potatoes are baking in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the fresh veggies. I have a couple Roma tomatoes here. I'm going to dice those up. And then I'll also have some green onions and chives. I know it's not Mediterranean, but I like it, so I'm going to do me. Now when we take the potatoes out of the oven, I'm going to cut the potato down the middle and give it a little pinch so that fluffy flesh can rise to the top. And now we're ready to Mediterraneanize our baked potato. The first thing I'm going to do is add some butter, a little kosher salt, some coarse black pepper. Then I'm going to top it with some tzatziki sauce. Now this is store-bought, but I have a great recipe for tzatziki sauce. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. And then next I'm going to add some Kalamata olives and Feta cheese. And then lastly, some chives and some green onions. Not necessarily Mediterranean ingredients, but what's a baked potato without them? Voila! Mediterranean style baked potatoes. Really quick, really simple, really delicious. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already and you like the content, please subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.